Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. In today's video, I want to share something very exciting with you guys. Do you remember in our last video when I shared with you guys that I had ordered a whole nother round of Mountain Dews for Cletus McFarland and the crew? I've actually shipped those Mountain Dews, and those Mountain Dews have arrived at their location. That is very exciting. Check this out. So as you guys can see, it says shipped and arriving on 8/13. So this is the order that we originally shipped. And it is, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 orders of Mountain Dew. I believe 18 of the orders have 3 cases of 18 packs. And 1 shipment has 2 to make a total number of, looks like, let me see, I believe it is 56. Ordered a total of 56 cases of Mountain Dew and shipped to Cletus McFarland and crew. And if we go over here to the account here, looks like all 56 cases there arrived, looks like yesterday. So Tuesday the 13th, they were all delivered. Everyone says delivered there. So yeah. So all of them have been delivered. They have received them all. And looks like it went to Cletus McFarland in Clearwater, Florida at the shop location there. And so they have those in-house now as of yesterday. And also what I did was sent a letter. I actually did a next day on a letter just explaining to them the reason why I sent the Mountain Dews, and in hopes to be able to meet the guys one day and actually vlog that experience. And that letter was also delivered yesterday at around 10:46. So the Postal Service sent me a proof of delivery, and let's see who actually signed for that letter that I overnighted to Cletus McFarland and crew. So looks like it was delivered yesterday around 10:46, so they arrived before the Mountain Dews arrived. And it says delivered is the status of that. Looks like it says the actual recipient name is C. Bogetti, which I'm pretty sure is Cooper. So Cooper Bogetti is the actual recipient. But here in the signature of the recipient section, it says that James Tale, or Tile, however you pronounce his name, James actually signed for it. So they did receive it there. And it looks like, I guess they confirmed the address is that address there, I'm assuming. But so James did sign for that, and Cooper is the one that actually received it looks like. So hopefully they'll get back in touch with me really soon, and once again I can vlog that whole experience and possibly deliver them the other 1008 Mountain Dews that I have as well if they want those. If not, like I said, we do have some other plans for it. If they don't want them, I can find something to do with them, because as of right now they're still just sitting in my storage area in my home, and they'll be there until I get I guess just some information or some clarity from Cletus McFarland and the crew. So once again, that is very exciting news. I'm looking to see what comes from this. Like I said, in hopes to be able to meet with them. I love to be able to meet Cletus McFarland and James and Cooper, and you know, Faster Proms as well if they're at the shop and I do get an invite. That'd be pretty neat. And I want to be able to vlog the whole experience, just going down and meeting with Cletus McFarland and delivering hopefully the bottle skeets if he wants them. But so on to the Cummins. As of right now, I haven't had an opportunity to go and purchase the ABS sensors just yet. I've been super busy here at home and just trying to take care of all the little things that I need to take care of here. Currently experience a home renovation project, and that's been pretty amazing, but it's been a little stressful at the same coin. So dealing with that. So I mean, hopefully we'll be able to show you that finished product of that one day. But like I said, back to the Cummins truck though, I would love to be able to put those sensors on it and get those sensors taken care of, and hopefully, you know, take care of that issue with that. I mean, I have been driving it a little, and it hasn't given me, once again, any issues with the spongy brake or anything like that, although that ABS light does continue to stay on. So I'm in the 05 Cummins right now. I'm about to head to the local parts store to see if I can pick up those ABS sensors. So it's starting to rain a little bit. I don't know, this weather is kind of tricky here, and don't know if we'll be able to get much work done if we do purchase those sensors, but hopefully they have those sensors in, and I'll see you guys at the auto parts store. Time to fuel up again. So now that we have our fuel, let's continue to the store. So I just pulled up at the local parts store. So I'm about to head inside and order these parts. I'll see you guys in a few seconds.
A few seconds later.
So guys, I went inside the local auto parts store, and unfortunately they don't have the sensors that I need in stock. I was able to place an order on all 3 sensors, and they'll be in first thing in the morning. I ordered 2 of the front, which works either left or right, and 1 rear, which mounts in the center, and looks like it's coming out of Greensboro, North Carolina. They'll be here first thing in the morning. Comes to a total of about 170 bucks. So I don't think it was much that I could do today because the ground is just soaked. We just received a heavy rain for just a moment, and it just saturated everything. So those parts are coming in the morning. I'll be here first thing in the morning to pick those up, and we'll see if we can get them on as soon as possible to fix that issue. So we're heading home right now, and when we get there, I'm gonna let you guys in on a new modification that's coming to the 05 Cummins. So you know I had to do a pull on the way home. Can't drive all the way home and not do something. So I see you guys at the house. So guys, I finally made it home, and I know you guys have been waiting to hear what is it? What is the special mods that we're going to more than likely add to the 05 Cummins? I was just recently watching the Goon Squad's video where they are rebuilding their 2017 GMC, and on that one they put a Banks exhaust, a Banks I guess a tune, and a Banks intake on theirs, and it bumped up the horsepower somewhere around the area of I think 98 horsepower, and between 98 and 100 they said, and that's pretty substantial gains. So I contacted Banks and spoke with a representative there, and we're still waiting to hear some things back and work out the logistics of everything. But if I add some of the similar, I guess, things to mine, it should bump up the horsepower around 105 horsepower and about 253 foot-pounds of torque, just using a similar setup to what they use. So really looking forward to doing that, and I'm pretty sure that those mods will be coming to the 05 Ram pretty soon. So just waiting, just like I said, to hear back from them on that. I believe the sales guy said he wanted to speak with his manager for a moment on that, I guess to kind of work things out. And as soon as I hear back from them, we're more than likely going to be ordering that and trying to figure some things out there. So a question I have for you guys is, I don't know if you guys have run this setup or a similar setup, the injectors that are on this vehicle, I'm not sure what they're rated for. I'm getting mixed things about it on the internet, and so trying to figure out how much horsepower are their stock injectors rated for on those. Didn't know if I put this tune on this thing and bump up the horsepower 100 more, if those injectors are able to handle that. So that's something I need to really dig and figure out. But if you guys know the answer to that, feel free to comment down below on this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, like this video and hit the notification bell so that you get all the awesome content that I come out with in the future. And until next time.